What started? Oh, you started short screen. I was wondering. I thought you requested scare. So what the fuck? I'm gonna scare screen YouTube to you. You gonna start the fucking game or not?
I thought this was the game.
No, yeah, it's a
This is
fucking
train.
train. You just get to watch the fucking train. You haven't gone from terms of service. Start game. Let's go. Starting the game. Fuck! I forgot we have to go to a fucking loading screen. I better put on some music.
5 minutes later.
Nope, might as well. It's about all the rest of the music. Okay, my music was more dominant. Never mind.
You know about that? Oh, there's no trains.
I know, such a fucking letdown. It's called Honkai Starrail. Rail, like train rail, you know.
Only 3 hours of 10.
Titties.
Oh, anime titties, 10 out of 10.
Let's go.
Everyone buy this.
the game is free, they can't buy it.
Fucking, they were just poking money for the gotcha system. I don't know.
Okay, you're right.
Is that
The
a
funny
quest
thing
for
is-
file? Are they putting the
Yeah,
value in while there's chaos happening?
I know, it's
Tell
just
what's
so
happening.
funny with JoJo music in the background. It's like she's just playing JoJo fucking theme.
Yeah, it's just fucking winds off the everything.
You don't think that?
Wait, do I play as a woman in this game?
No, that's just the tutorial.
Okay, God.
You get to choose your character after the tutorial, either a male or female character, and then you get to play as him for the rest of the game. Unless you want to play as one of your companions.
You did that.
Yeah, they played the game.
I fucking did! I wasn't really paying attention, I was playing more of them. The screen, I was paying more attention to the screen, you know? see pixels.
What do I...
Trust me, Jeff, I fucking tried, you can't see shit. Just play the fucking game.
Oh no, there's 5 of them. Whatever will I do? Maybe press the flash button.
Yeah, and do fucking AoE damage. Ooh, gotta guess.
Oh no.
Oh, you have your ultimate. You wasn't even paying attention who you clicked it on.
There's
I
only
don't get-
5 of you and 1 of me.
Time to say bye.
Oh, look what I've done.
I don't know.
So handy they went around us for no reason.
I know, it's so weird, you know. Oh no, behind you.
Does she have affinity?
Yeah, she has infinity. Her friend gave her infinity, gave a little attribute buff.
Yo, was that even alive? How
Is that
how
fucking
buff-
digital?
How's that gum buff?
I know.
Where did you
fucking
send
I
it?
just noticed that now.
Some
Is
random
she not wearing pants?
No. I feel like this is us talking to us.
They make it sound like a device, but like, I don't fucking know. Just, you are some sick. That is a 12-year-old child.
Oh wait, no.
That's a 12-year-old child.
This combat needs optimizing.
Ooh, an explosion.
At this speed, too slow.
That ain't even allowed. Was that man grabbing his fucking crotch?
Wait, how can he resist when he's seeing all the anime babes, you know?
We're the
When
ones.
some child's race, you can't fucking forget.
Anime babe, I meant.
You said an S on the end of it. That tech person had a fucking sword, Jesus, I never noticed.
What are you doing when you play the game?
Bro, literally, the
see all
fucking,
this.
the fucking tall person always killed them on my save in like one turn, because every time somehow I had an ultimate, so like it didn't really matter.
Hey, we have an ultimate.
I don't know, man. You probably should save it for the next battle to one-shot them. They're all 1 HP.
Yeah, God forbid
One-
we play more than 1 round of the game.
Yeah, I know.
It's better. Oh, we won.
There we go.
Masturbator.
Yep,
Wow.
that's it. It's masturbate. It's sperm man.
Oh, that's why he's all white.
Does he remember?
I know, man.
I'll remember.
Like, can you blame him with that person in front of him?
The first thing he starts doing is.
No, the first thing, his arms are already out, you know, already cupping, you know.
You are. Why you're
Oh, he conveniently looks down.
Like, hey, my eyes up here, buddy.
must leave now.
It's like your brother trying to bring you to preschool for the first day, you know? It's like, okay, now you're gonna be okay there.
You have a chance to make a choice. Make one that you know you won't regret.
They're really big. Hey, my name game.
My name's Masturbator.
No.
The first thing.
I tried myself. The character disappeared. It's like they intended that. People to do that.
It's the Antimatter Legion.
Oh no. Why is it the first, second character you get is, Archer again? Like, remember in Genshin? It was the same thing.
Fuck yeah, you're right, it was Amber. Shit, yeah.
This time they just made it like a fucking ice. Why couldn't we get the hot badge, you know, instead of March 7th?
I don't know, the person with the gun, you know, man. I
Yeah.
swear, there's probably gonna be, oh, it's plotters, oh, they're the villains. I swear, if there's an option to side with them, I'm doing that shit instantly.
What do we? Oh,
Bro, you just walked back a fucking chest.
yeah, we doing it.
Yeah, let's go fucking pick up that damn chest.
What's this game going on about stories and all that?
I know, man. It's like a telltale game, fuck, you know? I bet you it's not gonna change a fucking different no matter what you do.
Wow.
Hey, you got dang hung. You got the dang wong. The dang hung with the one chong wong. Equip him. Equip him.
What, man? It's just we can't see his square face. Hey, we're
You
going
Garrison Joker.
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
Wow, he's broken.
Told ya I could fight.
I don't know, man. He's weak.
He's dead, he's frozen.
It's too late to retaliate now.
Watch this.
Wow. Another
That is not a
boy.
man. That is a girl.
Wait, what the fuck?
That is a girl.
It's a tomboy.
Yo, it's a big shaft going upwards.
It just goes
That's
up
pretty
and
good.
down and up and down.
This last bit's gonna be a whole fucking dick fucking joke, isn't it? Yay, skill tree!
Yay! I've seen him up and down with Kakalon. Now I get to see him. It's time for Matt Bayer to do his specialty. Overflow!
No! Wait. You do more damage.
Sake.
Never mind, that's fine.
Oh fuck. I could
You
have
got
fucking
fucking
hit though.
ambushed.
I could have went away. I decided to stand there for some reason.
Will Jay's got pulverated? Or will he be due to pulveration?
Wow.
My turn.
Anime girl, protect
Out
me.
here, how can we lose?
Boner of initiated.
Of course his name is Matt Bader and he's backing, you know, the character with the white, like, you know, the thing. White
I
elements.
just noticed that.
Fucking
I just noticed that.
oh no, grass. Best boy.
He's no
He
best boy.
aims it at us.
First boss fight.
What the fuck?
Hit their first boss.
Well, you attack him.
Fucking middle guy, he's weak to it. Ultimate.
Huh.
You got an ultimate.
Extra attack. Oh fuck.
Okay, you have to activate your ultimate, otherwise you're fucked. And before you do it, yeah, you don't want to activate your defense
Who's
buff.
he aiming at? That's my question.
He's aiming at the white man.
Oh yeah, the target button's there.
Yeah.
Who would have guessed? Well,
That's why the man
it's
will
time to
do
use
it.
our ultimate ability. Over. You're saying?
But he's doing.
Why does it always
Anime girl.
Let's go! And she looks similar to the first one.
It's them
What am
girls
I about-
from Chainsaw Man and High School DxD.
I fucking know we got Rias and Makima all in one game. What's not to like?
20 out of 10.
Any out of 10, the game's 100.
Hints. You still need to download. Fuck off. So
No,
we're
but
gonna
how
have to
would-
leave at this point, guys. Never mind. It's complete.
The game. Wait, why does it start game? Oh yeah, I think that's a guaranteed summon though, but like,
Yeah.
it's a one. Go right to two of them. you sick fuck. 21 to 23. It's safe.
I told ya I could fight. Stay right there while I give you a present.
Let's go.
You're annoying. You can't.
You won't get away.
Oh, she's the one with the wolf out. Wow.
Try that again.
Don't give her ideas. Oh, for fuck's sake. Jeff has been deleted. I guess I'll stay on for a bit longer. I'm guessing he might come back. But it is technically 12:11. So I'm guessing he's gone for good. Yeah, he's gone.
Past victories don't guarantee future ones.
Hey guys, Jason C. This is the end of the video, guys. See you next time. Sorry that I was supposed to upload this 27 minutes ago, but then I didn't get time to finish the videos all day, and now I'm fucking 24 minutes wait to do the other things. So now I'm just fucking up everything. So I'll just see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.